Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Gohenry card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and now in the address bar type in gohenry.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Gohenry. Now in order to activate your card, first of all log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner. Once you click on this, you will be asked to enter your login credentials. So just go ahead and type in your email address or your username, followed by your PIN number or your password. After entering these details, just click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Gohenry. Once you log into your account, you can simply hover over to the debit cards and click on your appropriate option. Once you click on your appropriate option, you will be shown the option to activate your card. Simply click on the activate button and your card will be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your card with Gohenry. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.